Okay, so I am using the same topology. Okay.
Okay.
See, this is my security management server. Okay. Admin entire 1 2 3. So version all. Okay. See, I am using here
R08.80.10.
yeah R80.10. Okay, which is my management server, and the IP address of this server is so interface ETS0, the same one, 10.1.1.251. Okay.
Okay.
And this is my R80.10 security gateway. Admin 1 2 3. Admin at the 1 2 3. Okay. So version OS. Okay. OS edition. It's edition. So version all. Okay. So this is R80.10. Okay. Let me show you the interface details. CP state OS-FF config. Okay. So these are the interfaces. Okay, this one Ethernet 0 is our outside interface, which is have IP 192.168.0.250. Okay.
Okay.
This one first adapter in my VMware. Okay.
How many adapters connected? Once again, show me the downstream.
4 adapter only. 4 adapter. 1 2 3 4. Okay. This is my Ethernet one having IP address 10.1.1.250, which is my second adapter, which is connected with PNet 1. Okay. This is my third adapter 10.2.2.250, which is VMnet 2. VMnet 2. This is VMnet 3 and Ethernet 3 here in checkpoint. Okay. I am using the same topology which we use in the whole session.
Okay.
And also I'll put the static route there. So one default route, so route which is pointing to the internet. Okay, which is 192.168.0.1. Okay.
Okay.
So this is my topology. Okay. I'll just edit this firewall into my policy, and I'll install this basic policy into my firewall. Okay.
Okay.
So now I am going to start how we can configure the HTTPS inspection into our firewall. Okay. And we require HTTPS inspection because the thing is most of the applications and most of the websites today are the HTTPS secure website, right? And so we want to decrypt these websites, and we also want to see the content inside that, right? That's why we need this HTTP inspection. Okay.
Okay.
So I am just going to configure HTTP inspection. So I am first go to my firewall here.
You need to activate Blade.
I am just adding. So here I don't need to add any Blade for now. Okay. I am just doing the HTTP inspection, nothing else. Okay. So I am just going to into HTTPS inspection here. Here we outbound certificate was created successfully on this date. Okay. Deploy the outbound certificate. See, we can also export this certificate to our computer, so we cannot get this certificate warning error. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm just saving this certificate into my system. We need to enable blades when we are doing this URL filtering application and this user identification. Okay, so I am giving the certificate here. Checkpoint head office R80.10 cert. Okay, this is the name of my certificate. I'm just saving. See, now I am just enable this certificate. This enable HTTP inspection there. Okay.
Okay.
Now I just press the OK button here. So as I enable the HTTP inspection, so I get this tab here. Okay.
Okay.
this inspection settings here. Okay. So I am now going to this inspection settings, or here I am also getting this one STD inspection. So I will first go to into this tab. Okay.
Okay.
I'll click on the wrong. These are the here. See, if we go to into if inspection settings, we got these things here. Okay. Profiles, gateways. Okay, right now we have only one gateway. Exceptions. Okay, so these are the things we are getting here. So let me go to into HTTP inspection here. See, open HTTP inspection policy in smart dashboard. Okay, so I am just clicking here. Now smart dashboard will open. Wait for response. See, you know this thing. We can also decrypt the banking side, right? So here I didn't show you. I just write one rule, and I also bypass the banking sites. Okay.
Okay.
Bypass all financial services without decryption. Okay. And for other sites, I'll write the policy for decrypt all. Okay.
Okay.
So here we have this predefined policy.
So
let me add this policy. My HTTPS policy. Okay. Here I define my source. I have DMZ in my inside network, DMZ2 and inside network. Okay, I will define these three sources here.
Okay.
In destination, any destination on the internet.
Outside.
I am encrypting this HTTPS and HTTP and HTTPS proxy. Okay. And here I define the site category. So let me include all the sites. Okay, any site here right for now. Action is inspect, log, and enable blade for all blade. Installation, I select the installation target, which is checkpoint head office firewall. Okay. Okay, now let me also add one more rule here. Financial websites. Okay.
Okay.
Financial sources from inside DMZ or DMZ2. Okay.
Yeah.
Destination is any. These are the services. Here I just select this category only. Okay.
Okay.
I'll remove this custom. I'll select this category, and here I search for financial. Okay.
Okay.
I get these financial services. Okay. See, in some countries, what happened? We also not able to. We also not allowed to decrypt the government sites. Okay.
Okay.
Let me search for government also. Government and these health and insurance. In UK, we have these type of rules. Okay. We cannot decrypt that sites. Okay. That government and that health sites. Okay. Along with this banking, these finance services are always included. So today I completed these 3 things, okay, for you.
Hmm.
So if you do work with R80.10, that time you get very easy to configure these things, okay?
Okay.
I lost everything. Yeah. I just change the name. It is why it is not responding properly. Let me disable this guy for a moment. Sit down. My HTTPS policy. Define my DMZ subnets also. Okay. Internet serve any log and installation target on checkpoint firewall 1. I'll add one module here. So I'll give the name finance exclusion. Okay.
Okay.
I use the same source. Any site categories. I search for finance. Okay. Now I also search for health. HEAL
Hmm.
and government and military. Okay.
Hmm.
We cannot decrypt these sites. Okay. In
Okay.
UK. In US we can do anything which we want. Okay, so
Hmm.
here we use this action is inspect. Here action is bypass. Okay,
Hmm.
for all blades here I call my gateway. Now we are done with HTTPS inspection. Okay,
Okay.
so now let me save the changes. I press the Control S button here. Okay,
Okay.
save completed successfully. Okay, so I am
Hmm.
just closing this tab here. Now I am just
Install the policy.
let me go to into gateways here. Network object.
Hmm.
Network. Let me. I want to check my net. I configure net or not. So inside I'll use automatic net here.
Hmm.
Net. Okay. Hide behind the gateway. Okay.
Okay.
And installation target is head office firewall. Done. Same thing with DMZ network. Hide behind the gateway. This one. This one. So I'm just now. First I install the database. Okay. After it I
Hmm.
install the policy. Now install the policy. Policy installation is started. Okay. Database is succeeded. Okay. Now wait for this one. So at the same time, I'm logging to my inside PC. Okay.
Hmm.
Username and
So
password.
this PC is in inside.
Yeah, I'll make it inside if it is not.
It is on outside.
VM network. Okay. Okay, 99% installation is failed. Okay, so let me see what we have. HTTP inspection rule 1 cannot be installed on gateway. This because its site category column contain object that require the URL filtering blade to be enabled on this gateway. Okay.
Okay, we need to enable the blade. Actually,
Yeah.
we didn't enable it.
Yeah. So I am just going to my firewall here. I'll enable this application control and URL filtering blade also. Okay. Both blades at the same time. I just do the OK button. And now I install my policies again. Okay. See, because we call their URL, right? URL category. That's why it is asking. Not an issue. Generally, we require HTTP inspection for URL and applications only, right? So,
Yeah.
so we have to enable these blades there. Okay, let me change my IP detail here, CPL. Ten dot one dot one dot 100 255 255 255 10.1.1.250. I use this Google DNS here. Okay.
Okay.
I can just put my local DNS, not an issue. 10.1.1.221 because it is not available right now, so not an issue. It is succeeded, remaining the verification only. Is finalizing. Actually, this guy trying to connect with VPN. Okay, so let me shut down this client. Okay, it is now shut down. Policy installation is succeeded. Okay.
Okay.
So let me go into my system. Let me open the browser. Also, I am opening my CMD. So first I ping the facebook.com. Okay. Facebook.com. I am able to reach to facebook.com. Okay. So if I open this facebook.com or amazon.com, I will to browse this one. Okay. And if I see the certificate information, it is not decrypting now. Okay. So if I try with www.facebook.com.
Double O. It's a triple O.
Okay. This side also multi-gifting. G-Start, okay. www.gmail.com. Last time also it start decrypting after some time, right? So maybe that is the issue. Let's if I check my login here. Save the traffic for this website HTTPS. For this it is dropping by cleanup rule, okay? Let me clear the history first, okay? History. Basic internet access, HTTPS traffic is going with this. Now if I try to open www.google also, HTTPS www.amazon.com. Google, this one, okay. This guy. Cemented glass, okay. Let me see what is the issue here. So now I am going to my security policy, okay. Inspection settings. Okay, let me close. The following settings are set according to gateway setting installed via access control installation policy. Configure these. So here certificate also, this thing also, site category is there. Inspect and switch to bypass. Okay. In gateway, we have the gateway here in trusted CAs. These are the trusted CA HTTPS validation. In case of internet bypass the request, block all request. See, if there is any problem, then we can also select this one. Bypass all request or block all request. Okay.
Okay.
I just said block all request. Okay. Certificate serial number. These are the details for them. Okay. Now let me again save. Open. Update. Okay. Go to in policy. Here we have DNS, HTTP, HTTPS, and ICMP. Okay. These are my network. Okay, accept CP. This one. Okay. Let me install the policy now. Load this one and start installation. One more time. Accept connection. It is matching this rule. There is some global settings also. State inspection.
IPS, go for IPS.
No, nothing. We don't have anything here. That is the only way. Okay. It must work. Okay, not an issue. I did the same thing.
Okay.
Install database one more time. Okay. Now let me see what happened here. CMD IP config 10.1.100 which is 10.1.1.250. If not, it is able to ping here. Admin enter 123 W state policy standard. Okay, at 8.6. Okay, that's great. I again open that www.cisco.com. Error connection timeout.
Check the logs once again in checkpoint device.
It is dropped by
cleanup role.
TCP 8080. Okay, I think it's going for the firewall specific. Now it is allowing, right? Saved. You didn't get these things here. Internal action is CP. This is the regulated report false. Restrict traffic to this guy. Basic internet access. Okay. Let me see here. It is not inspected. www. HTTP only. Error connection timeout.
Okay.
You see, we are getting this error. Okay, this message.
Privacy error. Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, this now it is start decrypting. Okay. If I open this website, if I check my see certificate information, Wikipedia G2 global organization, this one, details, certificate path, global science here, this one, it is not decrypted by my systems also detail, certificate 13 valid. www.global trust. Okay, let me do this thing. Let me open flipkart.com. Let's go. Yes. Flipkart. We have lots of HTTPS sites here. So let me open these sites. This site is certificate. Stop using an invalid certificate. So this site. If I go to certificate, this one, okay. So let me do one thing. I am here, okay.
Okay.
And now I'm going to my firewall. Security policy. Head office firewall. Into HTTP inspection tab, okay. Outbound Caesar created successfully. View certificate. This is the certificate amandrat.net, okay. Details, certificate path, .net, 31st.
Install certificate.
No, we don't need to install here. And the thing is, I think my inside PC already have this certificate. Institute certificate. I have this certificate. I'm just going to remove this one. Yes. Yes. I have one CA here also. I have lots of CAs actually from previous only. Let me find them and delete them.
Okay.
FTD, because I did lots of practical with the same thing.
If you suppose delete all the CS, what will be happen?
We get that error message every time. Let me close. We'll open this www.dell.com.
Spelling.
Yeah. We're not able to in the Gmail now right now. So let me do one thing. I'm just modifying my this internet access rule a little bit. Okay.
Okay.
I'll remove all these services from here. Okay. Let me just leave it all the services allowed. Okay. Remove this one also. Remove this one also. Remove. Okay. Let me install this policy now. Manage policies in layers. application and filtering. Okay. You can close. We have netting here already. Let me install one more time. It must decrypt. Okay. I don't know why it is not decrypting for now. Otherwise, what do I do? I add one more rule. Above this rule, I'll disallow these some website, these social networking and all these stuff. Okay.
Okay.
By this, we verify this is blocking or not, right? Okay, so installation is
successfully installed.
www.amazon.com www.facebook.com Digisa Rupee ticketing. America. That's 15 days. What about this guy? 2 days. It is not still decrypting. It is also not able to open this website. Bank of America. Google. Bank of America. Even it is not also able to open, right? Go to my policy here, HTTP. Disable this loop now. Control S. That is the only way to configure this HTTP inspection. Okay.
Okay.
It must decrypt. Maybe there is some issues with this. It worked for me perfectly when I did these practicals in R80.10.
You done same practical?
Yeah, same. I'll did same practical, okay? If it was a real device, then what happened? You don't need to clear if you apply the policy, it block. Okay. There's a response is very quick. Dot. Type in Google. Even Google also blocked. Okay.
Okay.
Right now it is not blocking anything. It is not working, man. Okay, let me also write some policies. Network delay. Okay. Inside any application is application in categories. Okay. And blocking all social media. Sure. Social networking. Okay. And media streaming, media sharing, media streaming, news and media, distinct media protocol, okay, and medium rigs also. Let me leave it default for media. We have malware side, spyware and malware also, okay, and also shopping websites. These are the shoppings, okay. Just log them.
You put a drop action or error action dropping. Okay.
Yeah, drop action here. Okay. In basic internet access, I'll just allow DNS. HTTP. HTTPS. HTTP proxy. HTTPS proxy. Okay. And ICMP. Whole ICMP protocol. Okay.
Okay.
New section delete. Edit login. Explanation, copy, come. Okay, so I'll have this rule here. Now let me install this policy now again. It is not matching this HTTP inspection there. See, we are also not able to see any packet with this, right? Otherwise, we get this bypass and inspect thing there, right? Which we we also completed this thing in R80.7, right? So it's the same thing only. But I want to teach you in R80.10. So you just focus on how we configure, okay? Maybe it's not working. I'm not sure why it is not working. But it must work.
YouTube.com, try to YouTube.com.
Yeah, let the policy finalize completed. If it doesn't work, then there is no. If it doesn't work, then there is nothing to do with this class. Okay, so Otherwise, I'll cancel this class and we'll continue tomorrow. Okay, if it works, then
Yeah, one thing, you didn't send me that file, command line guide file.
that notepad file,
Yeah.
I'll think I'll share with you. Check
Okay.
check into that folders. Okay.
I checked it, all the folders I downloaded, I checked it, everything, but I didn't get it.
Okay, lot things. So I'll share again.
Okay.
www.facebook.com. Okay. www.twitter.com. Even though we also get this block message, right? When we did these things into R80.7, right? I teach you all the things. The block message also we saw that time. www.hdfcbank.com and www.zomato.com, www.amazon.com. This side is not. See, it is decrypting. Okay. Yeah, we get this right issued by www.hemandr80.net. Okay.
Yeah.
So decryption is successful now. Okay.
But first time when I am doing, how can I delete that old versions of what is that certificates?
See, actually, I did lots of practical with Palo Alto, Firepower, ASA, Checkpoint also. So the thing is, what happens sometimes I'll always install the certificate into my root certificate data. Okay. So you have to remember this thing. It's not like I remember and all this. It's not like this.
Okay.
The Facebook page is not working. The Facebook that doesn't show this message. Okay, so Facebook is blocking. Twitter also blocked, right? Amazon also blocked because I write the rules. Okay, so let me also do one thing. See in action, also info access approval, access notification. Once a day, not this one. Company policy. More, what is more? Not this one, this rule, okay. Okay, I'll just give this one and I now installing the policies again. Okay, and let me also do one thing. I'm going to my inspection policy for banking sites. Okay, banking and financial sites. I'll just bypass one more time because I'm not able to get any banking website here. Amazon is blocking. Okay, let me open the Google now. Google.com. If I type here ICICI Bank, okay, this is the internet banking sites. Let me personal banking, connection details, certificate. See, it is basically inspected by my certificate. Okay, so we are decrypting this website now. Okay, so let me add rules for banking sites. Okay.
Okay. You discarded first that rule. Activate this one here.
Yeah. I just enable this rule. Okay, and let me save here. So that is the thing. The thing is sometimes sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. Okay, so it's not like that we are doing the wrong thing. Okay.
Okay.
So remember we are doing. See, the concept is same, right? and we are also configuring the same. So sometimes what happened, these are the devices, sometimes they start working, and also we are using VMs, right, without license. So at least if we have a license, then we get more and more features and lots of updates from the Checkpoint websites also that time.
Okay.
That thing happens. That is the way we can also do the URL application and URL blocking. Okay, like this only. I'll call these things here and block, and here I ask company policy once a day per application, like this. Lots of things are there. Okay.
Okay.
I am not sure what is the meaning of this thing. Ask company policy. See, in the older one we have these messages, right? Maybe I think same thing also. They are the same one only, these messages. Right? Let me also now try to browse social media websites here, or also YouTube. So here if we get any error message, that time we get the exact idea, right? See, if we are the social media basically uses these TCP/80, 443, 8080, 8080, right? These are the proxies. Yeah. 99%. In R80.7 we have like very good practical. See, I'll also show the username in the message, right? So not an issue. You did the practical in R80, R70 first, then R80. Okay.
Okay.
I am just telling you how you configure these things. Okay. So if I again open www. First, let me open the Google here, and in Google I'll search for SBI. Okay, SBI Online. I'm also looking for ICICI Bank. If I see the certificate, connection detail and certificate information, see it is still it is still decrypting by my firewall. Actually, I write the rules for this. Do not decrypt. It is also decrypting. Now let me open www.facebook.com. www.youtube.com. Okay. See, we get this privacy error. See, your connection is not private. Okay. And
advanced.
See, Checkpoint portal, this thing. So let me open this portal here. You are trying to access the Facebook, okay? According to the company policy, access to the Facebook is intended for work-related use only. I will use this site for according this company policy. See, if I do this, then we get this type of message. Okay, that time.
Yeah.
So after that, we get the access of this website. Okay. If I am here opening the youtube.com, also there is a one website dailymotion.com, right? It is decrypting the banking side, but I write one exclusion to them. PayPal. What about the PayPal here? Yeah, it is also decrypting. Not an issue after some.
So everything right now is encrypting.
It is decrypting. Yeah, it is everything.
Yeah, sorry, decrypting.
Yeah, everything is decrypting now. But I write the health and these government website and these things. These banking services do not decrypt. Okay.
Okay.
So it start like doing. I think it takes some time. I'm not sure why it is taking time. See, first it is also not working. These now it is working, right?
Yeah.
So not an issue. Don't be confused with this. You only just focus on the configuration part. Okay. Sometimes everything works smoothly. Okay. Sometimes it takes some time. Amazon www.paytm.com. I'll also write rules for them, right? These websites blog. So I think it gives one message only one time, right? Here we have this one. See, company policy once a day, right?
Once a day, yeah.
Yeah. So I think in a day we get the only once this message. Okay. See, no. I think I'm getting this message for. Also, they have mentioned something per applications. Okay. Company policy once a day per application. They have something logic with this. So you have to go through with the theoretical part of this. Okay. What are the meaning of these features? Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm getting this message for check this Paytm also. YouTube I'm not able to get the access of YouTube. Okay, not an issue. That is the way we can write the policy for applications and how we can reconfigure the this thing. Okay, if I check the certificate of Paytm, this one, and if how we can do this configuration, all these stuffs. Okay, and how we can verify we are our traffic decrypting or not. It takes some time to do this. Okay. So don't panic with this. You just configure these things. Okay. So now let me clear the logs history again one more time. Clear the browsing history here. Okay. Let me close this one. Now I'm opening my AD server here. Okay. So now we are moving to our next topic, which is identity awareness. Okay.
Okay.
How we set up the LDAP relationship, all these things now. Okay. So in LDAP, what happened? In global policies, we have this user directory, right? So first we have to enable this user directory. Okay.
Okay.
That is our first step. Now the second step, we have to enable the user identity blade, right? Into our firewall. See, we get this message. See, it's a inspection something sign. Okay. This sign. Or maybe this sign is also this sign is for maybe bypass, right?
Okay.
Session type bidirectional application. Yeah, this is a sign for inspect. Okay, not this one. This is a session sign, I think so. Okay, leave it now. Not an issue. Come on. Let me enable the user identity blade, which is this one. Okay, identity awareness.
Okay.
Select how users will be identified by your security gateway. Okay, AD query, browser based, and terminal server. Okay. I am just creating the new domain name here. So I give the HEMENDRA Okay. Username is administrator. Administrator. Password is admin@123. Not admin. It's Cisco@12345. DC equals to Image, comma, DC equals to net. Okay. So let me see it open or not. Yeah, it is still opening. Let me check. I'll configure the DNS detail or not. My system. Okay. Into my RAT. So DNS primary. Okay. Yeah, primary is there. Secondary also there. Yeah. So domain name. Yeah, it is email.net. Okay, that's fine. Let him come first. Please complete all the practicals, okay, as soon as possible.
Okay.
Because if, at least go through once with the Palo Alto and Checkpoint, both the practicals, okay. So you just repeatedly do. See, one day Checkpoint, one day Palo Alto. Not like that. You do the Palo Alto, after that you start Checkpoint. It become confusing for you. Okay, so you just 2 days Palo Alto, 2 days Checkpoint, or make it like this. Okay, so the thing is, you only need to do this type of practicals 2 or 3 times at least.
Okay.
After that, you got the hands on them.
Okay.
Otherwise, it is complex to remember you.
I will make a note.
Yeah. Okay. That's great, man. I'll also have notes with Checkpoint, but not really good notes. But in case of this CCI security version 4, I have very good notes on VPN, on Cisco ASA, on ICE. But there is no use right now because the version 5 is came out. So the thing is, but they are helpful. I don't need to look again on them now because I did lots of practical lots of time. So now this becomes like easy for me. I'll have all these things in my mind. Or if I need something, I can go to the Google and search it for that. Easily, I'll get the solution there. Okay, let me just cancel this one. Okay, this one also. So see, I enable the user ID in my global properties, right? So I'll just install the database once. After I install the policy, so at least what happened now, my firewall, this security gateway aware about this thing. We enable this user directory. Okay. Working on updates. Why it is updated? Maybe now I get. You have any friends for this Checkpoint in Palo Alto who want to learn?
Actually, it's interest, hobby.
Okay. So there is any friends which want to learn this?
Yeah, in CSS Corp, my friends are working in Checkpoint.
Okay.
Checkpoint, some of friends, and Palo Alto is also.
Okay.
And then after, I am trying to go for CSS.
CSS Corp.
Yeah, in
It's
Chennai.
awesome. Yeah, it's awesome company. Actually, I selected in CSS Corp, but I dropped.
Okay.
My system become a little bit slow. Okay, so recording is on. So my AD server is up now. So let me go to my smart console. And let me no time when we use when we need this one, so I'll just power on this one. Okay, so now I'm going to my management, this head office firewall. Hello, hello. Meeting. Hello. Yeah, I am audible to you. Okay, okay. Personal meeting. So please. Let me refresh again. Edit. I just telling you one more ID. Maybe I have internet issue in my end. That's why. Now power is very good in Delhi. Otherwise, there is around 4 hours. They basically they cut daily in 4 hours. Right now, in 24 hours only. Zoom is not responding. Yeah. So you are able to see my screen, right? Okay.